sabi nila, bakit daw sa India? May mga nagsasabi, madami daw sa India. Marami naman nagsasabi, magulo daw. At maingay ang India. Totoo nga ba? Welcome to Kashmir! Hi guys! Welcome to my houseboat experience in Kashmir. Grabe, until now, I really can't believe na nandito ako. Staying on a houseboat in the middle of Dal Lake. Parang panaginip lang ang lahat. The mountains, yung peace, everything feels unreal. So today guys, I'm going to take you with me dito sa aking stay sa houseboat. So, before you reach to the houseboat, kailangan mo muna sumakay ng small boat. And guys, habang papalapit ka na, makikita mo yung sunod-sunod na magagandang wooden house floating peacefully in Dal Lake. Sobrang calm ng lake at parang painting ang lahat. Anyway, nabook ko to for around 6,000 rupees including breakfast and dinner. Wow, ganda. Guys, pagpasok ko sa houseboat, first thought ko was, wow, ganito pala kaganda in real life. Iba yung feeling pag napapanood mo lang sa YouTube at yung na-experience mo talaga na nandito ka. Sobrang relaxing, seems like all your stress in life biglang nawala. Kasi nakita nyo naman, kakaibang vibe talaga ang experience ng houseboat. So inspiring, yung makulay na interior nila, ang sayang tignan. And now naman, pupunta tayo sa aking room. Excited! So ayan, meron kang dadaanan na isang medyo mahabang aisle. Actually, siguro mga 1, 2, 3 bedrooms bago doon sa aking room. Ito ang aking room. Ang huling room dito sa houseboat. Nandun ako sa dulo. Tadaan! Wow, ang ganda, ang kulay, o diba? Ang ganda ng vibe. Hindi ka matatakot kahit solo ka lang kasi kulay pa lang. Ang saya na. Oh, ang cute ng room ko. And look at the view. You know what? During my stay, I just slow down everything. No rush, no loud city noise, just the sound of water and birds. And also, habang nandito ako, I just want to share something real. Most people say India is dirty, maingay, magulo, and I've heard that so many times. But now that I am actually here, I realize something important. Hindi lahat ng lugar sa India ganoon. India is so big, so diverse, and every place is different. Like here in Kashmir, especially staying in a houseboat, the experience is the total opposite of what people usually expect. Grabe, napaka-peaceful niya, very calm, and honestly, one of the most beautiful place I've ever seen. I think sometimes people judge a whole country based in what they see online. But the truth is, India is not just one story. It has chaos, yes, but it has so much beauty, culture, kindness, and peace like this, guys. Hindi kayang tawaran ang saya na binigay sa akin ng Kashmir. And this is the saddest part. I have to say goodbye to the Dal Lake. And aalis ako dito na baon ang magandang alaala ng Kashmir. And promise, babalikan kita dahil sobrang napamahal ka sa akin, Kashmir. Sa muli nating pagkikita, Kashmir. Again, I have to say goodbye and ihatid na tayo ng small boat papunta sa sakayan ng taxi kasi kailangan na natin bumalik ng New Delhi. Nakakalungkot pero promise mababalikan ko ang Kashmir. So now I'm heading to the airport, Srinagar Airport. I have a flight from Srinagar going to New Delhi. So, babalik tayo ng New Delhi kasi doon manggagaling ang ating flight going back to Manila. But of course, mag-stay muna ako ng about 3 nights sa Delhi. Explore din natin ang Delhi bago bumalik ng Manila.
And open passport ready for inspection. On behalf of Air India, we wish you a pleasant flight.
Finally, nandito na tayo sa New Delhi and explore din natin ang New Delhi for 3 days. But this time, DIY na lang tayo kasi wala na tayong tour package and siguro mag-Uber na lang tayo. Carry na to kasi New Delhi lang naman papasyalan natin. So, nandito na tayo ngayon sa aking hotel, ang Apple Park Hotel. Itong ibinuko ko kasi malapit lang to sa airport. So, para hindi na ako mahirapan pagpunta ko ng airport. Anyway, nabook ko to for 3 nights for around 7,000 pesos, including breakfast and hotel transfer. Yeah. So, that's it for today. Goodbye and see you on my Delhi vlog.